So Google Stitch vibe design, and so I've said design a modern bubble theme e-commerce website full of colors and really engaging, and I'll use the Thinking 3.1 Pro model, and we'll let that think. So it starts off by designing the UI colors and typography, and then it will generate the actual landing page and full-on website. So it's made the entire checkout flow with collections and checkout page. And if you want to edit one of these elements in here, all you have to do is double click it. It will prepare it real quick, and then you can just come in here and either edit the text manually or edit it with AI. Like say you want this to be straight instead of round. You can also redesign websites. So I've attached a picture of google.com landing page website here, and we'll see what it comes up with. And it's given us a few examples of redesigning google.com. These look pretty cool. This one might even be the future, just a minimalistic. And now the cool part is, after you've done your design, you can export this to Figma, to a .zip, MCP it, or even do instant prototypes. So this actually makes the website clickable and you can just view it. So if you're running a design studio, you can give prototypes to clients real quick instead of coding it up. So then obviously you can add more screens, and then you can click this button here to share it and give this to someone who you want to share this with. It's pretty cool. Well, yeah, that's it for today. I just wanted to give a quick overview of this cool tech that Google's releasing. They're releasing a few cool things from the Google Lab at the moment. So yeah, it'd be cool to see what else they have next on the roadmap. Cheers.